Hi everyone, my name is Prasad. I'm the founder of Tusker. So what we do is we manufacture stainless steel kitchens, wardrobes and varieties, TV units, show racks. All the residential segment modular furniture what we manufacture. Instead of in wood, we create all the products in steel.
This is a stainless steel kitchen. This is stainless steel. No termites, no moisture dampness issue, no damp cells, no loose hinges, nothing.
It's actually quite good, not too pricey or something, so low maintenance also.
At a time when we were going to build new apartments, this was like a home for us. So we happened to see this on Facebook post. We are working with them. They're going to be on the last part of installment at this time.
Best thing is everything is replaced with the stainless steel, which can be long lasting and it is as resale value.